To open bObi Pet and replace her mainboard, you will need the following supplies: a new mainboard and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before we get started, turn bObi Pet off and flip her over onto a flat surface. Next, remove the dustbin. You will then need to remove bObi Pet's front wheel. Grip the wheel with your hand and pull straight up, using the screwdriver for leverage. Behind the wheel are 2 screws. There is a larger screw set deeper in the wheel compartment. Use the screwdriver to remove it. Keep this screw and all other screws removed from bObi Pet for later reassembly. For the next step, remove the screws on both sides of the dustbin. Then remove the corner pieces that were held down by the screws. Grip the brush compartment and pull down to reveal 2 screws on a red fastener. Remove them with the screwdriver. Pull the brush compartment up until it is freed from the red fastener. Then, detach the brush compartment and set it aside. Remove the 4 screws located beneath the brush compartment. Next, remove the 2 screws on the dustbin's red fastener. Remove the fastener and set it aside for reassembly. The cover is no longer secured, so carefully flip bObi Pet onto her wheels. Lift the cover to reveal the mainboard underneath. Remove the 2 circuit plugs connecting the lid to the mainboard. Place the cover aside and you're ready to replace any of bObi Pet's internal parts. To remove the old mainboard, disconnect the 7 circuit plugs on its surface. Disconnect the battery, located on top of the mainboard as well. Next, remove the 4 screws holding the mainboard down. Keep these close by for the next step. Lift the old mainboard up. If there is glue securing the wires to bObi Pet's crevices, you may scrape it off with your screwdriver. Do not remove the small red screw posts close to the dustbin. Lift the black rubber flaps off the base of the mainboard. Line up the new mainboard with the screw posts inside bObi Pet and replace the rubber flaps. Carefully push the mainboard down so it sits flat. 3 screw posts should fit through the holes in the mainboard's center. Replace the 4 screws you removed earlier. Once the mainboard is in place, reattach all of its circuit plugs. There are 5 at the top, one black circuit plug on bObi Pet's left, and the circuit plug for the power switch on bObi Pet's right. Then reconnect the battery above the mainboard. Tuck any protruding wires into the crevices around the mainboard so the lid can easily sit on top. Once the mainboard circuits are reconnected correctly, you're ready to start closing bObi Pet. Attach the 2 circuit plugs from the cover back onto bObi Pet's mainboard. The yellow wired plug on bObi Pet's lid connects to the right side of the mainboard. The white wired plug connects to the center of the mainboard. Lay down the cover and line up the edges precisely. While holding bObi Pet's top and bottom together, carefully flip her over onto a flat surface. Next, reinstall the front wheel's screw. Place the front wheel on top and firmly push down to secure it. Replace the dustbin's red fastener and install its 2 screws. Next, install the 4 screws in the space beneath the brush compartment. Plug in the brush compartment. Then, replace its red brush fastener and install the 2 screws. Position the brush compartment back in its original space. Now, reinsert the corner pieces on both sides of the dustbin, with the arms of the brush attachment linked. Make sure the rubber strip is not stuck under the brush compartment. Lastly, reinstall the 2 screws in each of the corner pieces. Make sure the bin can slide in easily before using bObi Pet again. Congratulations on replacing bObi Pet's mainboard, and happy cleaning!